Hi, pool guy. I've been living in this house for 2 years and I put a new liner in when we moved in. Had to do a few other things too, but now I've got a huge problem. My pool is leaking out of the jets, I believe. I'm waiting on someone to come out and check now, but the stairs I have are all cracked and letting water behind the liner, which I have to pump out manually. It sucks, but it's what we have to do because of the groundwater. So, anyways, now my pool is a foot below the skimmers and right at the jets when the pump is off. My 2-year-old liner is developing these brown stains all over the place. I'm not sure what to do. Any advice would be great. The EcoFinish coating to fix the steps that the company near me did is 3 months or longer out. I'm at a loss of words. Thanks again for any advice.
Okay, so likely you're saying it's down to the returns. That doesn't mean it's leaking at the returns. Likely it's all of your water losses through your crack step. And really the only solution is having that step replaced, which it sounds like you're a bit out from that. In the interim, some type of a caulk that you could cover those cracks in the steps that will give a little flexibility, might slow that down. The staining in the pool, I see the pictures. I'm not sure, that looks like a metal stain and or black algae. And I would take the water in, certainly have it tested, find out if there's any issues with metals in the water that can show up like that. And if not, it's likely black algae, which just means that you're going to have to follow the black algae regimen, which is high levels of chlorine and high levels of black algicides. And black algicides are way more expensive than normal algicides, and it requires a lot of it. For whatever reason, the strains of black algae just are way more adaptive to chlorine and chlorine environments. And once that happens, it's a pain a pain to take care of. But likely that's what it is, unless you have some minerals in your water. If you have some metals in your water, you're going to have to look for a metal out that would work for that, some type of metal out solution. Go to your local pool store, bring a water sample in, have them see what it could possibly be chemically, and then if not chemically, you're certainly gonna have to go through the black algae regimen to try to take care of it. And on the other hand, the only fix you can do is caulk the step temporarily until you can have it permanently and professionally fixed.